So we have been going for about 2.5 hours. Here comes some porters. I feel great, actually. I don't feel tired at all. We're going at a slow pace. And we actually have, there's 50 of us and 150 porters that are going to set up our camp. And they actually are all with our group. This is our lunch spot the first day. But I think most people are feeling pretty good 2.5 hours in. I'm having no issues with altitude. Been taking Diamox since the night before last, so everything's good.